long. I'm so tired. Yeah, it's my turn.
Oh my god, I need to fix it. How to build the Slauerhoff Bridge. Step 1. Build the engine. Step 2. Build the bridge pier. I need to check the bridge's operation before opening it to traffic. Step 3. Complete assembly. Step 4. Testing. It works so smoothly.
What is happening? Please lower the bridge. We can't wait anymore.
2,000 years later.
Too long. How long do we have to wait?
Parking area.
Please move to the second floor.
The bridge is down.
Please proceed. Maintain a safe speed. Thank you for your cooperation. Use your parking pass for entry.
The bridge is about to be lowered. Please wait. Caution. Oh no.
Help me.
That's hurt.
It's my fault. I'll fix it right now. How to build the movable bridge. Step 1. Build the support bar. Part 2. Step 2. Connect Part 1 plus Part 2 of support bar. Step 3. Build the main pillar. Step 4. Connect support bar plus main pillar. Connect. Step 5. Testing. Please wait until the bridge is fully down. Please maintain a safe speed. Slow down and ensure safety.
I'm sorry, are you okay?
Terrible. Someone has to upgrade this movable bridge.
Add the bridge. Add the engine. How does it work? Ramp access here. Ramp exit here. Please use the empty spaces for parking.
A few moments later.
Let's come back home. Hey, caution.
Stop.
Tickets are currently being verified. All clear. Have a nice day.
Mr. Hand, switch.
Okay.
Well done, presents for you.
Planet Nova 9051b.
Hurry, buddy. We'll poison humanity with this parasite.
But their base is on the other side, and this bridge is half broken.
Come on, our car can make it.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
Space car has crashed. How do we cross the bridge now?
How to build the steering car. Step 1. Build the car chassis, the rear chassis. Add the wheels, the front chassis, add the gears, add the wheels. Step 2. Build the engines. The first engine, the second engine. Step 3. Connect the chassis to the engines. Add the chain. Connect to the battery box. Test it.
Its wheels can turn 45 degrees.
We should test it out.
Don't worry, I'll go first. Look, I'm almost across. Oh no!
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just continue the mission.
But there's only one span left. I need a new car.
How to build the roller car. Step 1. Build the car chassis. Add the wheels. Add the pulleys. Step 2. Build the cabin. Step 3. Connect all components. Add the motor and the engine. Testing.
I hope roller car can cross the bridge. So dangerous. I've made it. Our plan can begin now.
Come on! Quickly, find something valuable on this planet.
Huh?
Ah, that weird round thing over there looks good.
But that thing looks suspicious.
You idiot! Just bring it back and get a bunch of money. We're gonna be rich.
Oh yeah!
Our plan worked perfectly.
Yeah, mission complete. Mr. Hand, help me.
How to build the tilt bridge. Step 1. Build the bridge pillar. Step 2. Build the bridge deck slabs. Step 3. Complete assembly. Let's see what tilt bridge can do.
Huh? When is my turn?
Haha, no problem.
Awesome! Look, there's another train going there.
Oh my god, I need to fix it. To be continued.
Can you build a cargo across this broken bridge?
I'm not sure. Let me find the best option.
Huh? Well done, Mr. Hand. It's so difficult.
I have got an idea. This is the best option.
I agree with you.